Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Elizabeth and this is Pedaling Forward 365. If you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button and the little bell icon right there so you stay connected. This week's travel destination, we are off to Ljubljana, Slovenia. Now to start off, I took the train from Zagreb to Ljubljana and it only cost me 10 euros. Now the train takes about 4 hours and you do have to stop for border control passport between the two countries. And this did delay my train about 30 minutes, but it's not too bad. The train itself is very comfortable and the scenery is beautiful. Now, they do not have a food cart or anything, so I definitely recommend grabbing some snacks, some beverages, and sit back and enjoy the ride. Okay, so now that we have arrived in Ljubljana, I am heading off to the hostel to check in, and I stayed at the Villa Valoria. Now, the hostel looked exactly like the website, so I will put some photos up here so you can see what it looked like. And it, for 3 nights, cost me 48 euros. Now, I stayed at the end of May, beginning of June, and as always, these prices do fluctuate depending on the time of year, but overall, definitely a reasonable price and a great stay. Now, the only downfall, if you have a lot of luggage or your luggage is very heavy, I definitely recommend just taking a cab. It didn't cost me too much. I think it was around 6 euros or so, but it is about a 20-minute walk from the train station to the hostel itself. Okay guys, day 1 in Ljubljana. I did a walking tour of the city. Now, the city itself of Ljubljana is quite small, but has quite a bit of charm. So let's go check out the city of Ljubljana.
We are first starting off at the Triple Bridge, and this bridge was a pedestrian bridge and had too much traffic. Our next stop is the Pink Church, and this church is in the center square, and well, you can't really miss it. Our next attraction in the same area, just right in front of the Pink Church, is this statue of the poet. Now, there is a funny story about this statue, but that is for another time. Continuing on down the path, we see the Bridge of Lovelocks along with other sculptures, and then the Bridge of Dragons.
Okay, you guys, so day 2, we are eating our way through Ljubljana and checking out some castles. So let's go. Okay guys, so we are at the open kitchen in Ljubljana. This happens every Friday as long as it's not raining or it is a holiday. Let's check it out. So, our first dish we are trying, we're starting off with something sweet for breakfast. It looks like it's like kind of chopped up pancakes with fruit. So let's check it out. Okay guys, so we are continuing eating and we are moving on to savory now. A whole roasted pig with roasted potatoes and slaw. $7.90, not bad for what you guys are getting. So let's dive in. Okay, so now that we are done eating for a quick minute, we are gonna take a walk and start heading up to the castle. So let's go. Okay guys, so we are at the top of the castle now. Now there is a funicular that you can take, and that's what I meant to take, but instead I ended up hiking up. It is quite steep, so if you're not good with hiking up steep hills, then I definitely would recommend taking the funicular. Otherwise, there's not a lot of steps, so it's pretty just straight up. So now we're gonna go take the funicular down. Okay, you guys, so that's it for this week's video. Now, if you were paying attention, you did hear that I was here for 3 days. Now, next week's video, I'm heading off to a day trip to Lake Bled. So if you don't want to miss that video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell icon. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, and until next time, keep pedaling forward.